Okay, example 6, same job. Convert to polar coordinates. This is H, this is V. So, step 1, R is going to be the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared. Again, I don't care that 5 is negative, the 12 is positive. I just square them, I get positive numbers every time. So R is going to be the square root of 169, better known as 13. So again, my answer is 13 at an angle of something. So immediately, once you know step 1, you've already got half your answer. Step 2. Alpha is going to be the inverse tangent of V over H. Again, absolute value bars, so I'm pretending there are no minuses in the problem. The only place with minuses matters in step 3, so ignore minuses till step 3. Keep moving this calculator, it keeps on going right where I need it not to be. Inverse tangent of 12 over 5. A common mistake people do, they do it upside down. Second over first every time. Second over first. Inverse tangent of 12 fifths comes out to 67.38 degrees. That's all step 2 is or ever will be. Okay? Positive numbers, V over H, inverse tangent. Calculator knows the answer. Ask it, it'll tell you. Doesn't keep secrets very well. Knows everything, it tells you right away. Step 3. All I need to do is establish a quadrant. We got quadrant 1, we got quadrant 2, we got quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Know where the quadrants are. And imagine moving directions. Horizontally, I'm moving left. Negative 5, I move left, right? Positive 12J moves up. That puts me somewhere over here in the second quadrant. Okay, so again, the first number is a horizontal number, positive, negative. Second number is vertical, positive, negative. So, negative 5 horizontally, positive 12 vertically puts me in the second quadrant. The relationship in the second quadrant according to your sheet is theta is equal to 180 minus alpha. And again, alpha is just whatever number we just found, right? So 180 minus 67.38 is 112.62. And there's your answer. Let me mention something about the book and our friend in the back of the book. I want the answer between 0 and 360 degrees every time. The way I gave you, the technique I gave you, always gets you that answer between 0 and 360 degrees. The book sometimes uses negative angles. Do not give me negative angle answers on these. Give me positive between 0 and 360. Apply the technique I just gave you on that yellow sheet of paper. That will get you a positive number between 0 and 360 every time. If you give me negative angles, you're copying out of the back of the book. So quit doing that and practice the skills that imitate.